Hi, I'm going to show you a voice experience from Alan for an existing retail employee application. The voice experience here is applicable to the 15 million retail employees in the United States. Hey Alan, something's wrong with the freezer.
To file an issue, scan the QR code on the back of the freezer. Machine 1 added to the ticket. Do you see an error code?
Yes, 022.
Error code 022 has been added. Would you like to make changes? Or file your ticket?
File it.
Your ticket has been filed. Here's your ticket reference number.
In the retail industry, employees aren't given much training and turnover is high. As you saw in this video, voice doesn't require any training, and all the employee had to say was, "Something's wrong with the freezer," before being guided through the proper steps. This experience also reduces errors by providing both visual and voice confirmation. With a voice experience from Alan, all functions that an application has are available on any screen, increasing overall efficiency, as employees don't have to tediously navigate the UI with touch and type. This is how the Alan Voice platform is powering business transformation.